Okay, listen to this bug. He's not doing it now. I think he's dead. Well, the cat hit it. He was making this weird noise. He's doing it. Oh, no, stop hitting him. Do you hear him? Listen, like he makes like a pop sound. That's cool.